Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Nita, and I'm the owner of Nita's Fluid Woodworks. Okay, so today we're going to talk about handles, and I get a lot of questions like, oh my god, how did you make that handle? Blah, blah, blah. It's easy. Alright, I'm going to walk you through this, okay? So, this is my D handle. If you look around, you'll see more D handles. I love my D handle. Let me show you how I get it. It's super easy. So, there's a trick to this. Come with me. When I'm doing them, I like to use templates. And I'm not talking about like a one template, because I feel like when I make my handles, it all goes off of like, what is the grain doing? What is that piece of wood doing? So I make mine like specifically for whatever I'm working on. And this is what I use. These are like French templates, I think they're called. I'm going to link them below. These are amazing. These are amazing. For my D handles, like that, just these arches for the long handle, these are amazing. Can you see? And when you put these together, the possibilities are endless. So these are very important for me doing the craft that I do. And if you're having a problem like getting your lines right, getting your curves right, and your angles and all of those things, I think that these will help you a lot. I'm gonna link them down below, and I love using them. I use them all the time. So if you want to see a video on how I use these, comment down below. And I've got a lot of videos of me using these. But I just wanted to give this to you guys like really quick, because these are a lifesaver. Like, that could be a D right there. Like, the D. Anyways. So it doesn't just work for D handles. It works for all of my handles. Like, let me show you. I use it for my longboards. Let's see. Right. Like this right here. This took me seconds. And it's perfect. There's a lot of handle stuff down there. Anyways, you get the point. You get the point. They're helpful. Very helpful. Alright, so I hope this helps. If you want to see a video with me actually using them, comment down below. I'll make it. I'll edit some stuff up, because I've got like 4 years worth of content. So I will link these below. I think I bought 3 of the kits, so you get a couple in each kit. And I just wanted variety, because like I said, each piece is different to me, and I just kind of want to keep my options open. So I will link them down below. If you're interested in, I had a lot of people asking me about Amazon. Like, what do I get off Amazon? So when you see my Amazon shop in my link tree, it's not my stuff personally. I don't sell stuff on Amazon. It's just the stuff that I use from Amazon, the stuff that I order from them. Like my pigments and my molds and things like that, okay? So I'll link that down below as well. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna go and prep some cups for some hydro dips, and I'll see y'all later. Sub and like the video if you got anything out of this. I hope them templates help. I know they will. They were a game changer for me, and handles are not a problem anymore.